Hi everybody, we're going to find the coefficient of x to the fourth in the binomial expansion of x minus 4 times 2x plus 1 to the 6th power. So we'll get started, and this is our problem, and here's our formula, and we're going to use this portion of it. So in this case our n equals 6. We're just going to do this part first, and then our a is 2x. And our b equals 1. And then what we're going to do is distribute. So I'm going to take my x minus 4 times, and we're going to do n choose r, so that's going to be 6 choose r, 2x to the 6 minus r times 1 to the r. And now what we're going to do is go ahead and expand this by distributing. So we're going to write it as 6 choose r, 2x to the 6 minus r times 1 to the r power, and we're going to multiply this by x. Now we're going to write plus 6 choose r, 2x to the 6 minus r, 1 to the r power, and then times negative 4. So on here, I'm just going to write the 4 here, bring out the negative here. And so I'm going to erase this and put negative, because I don't want a negative here. Now we got to find r for each piece. So to find r, I look at my x's first, because we want it to be x to the 4th power. So I'm going to just take the x's and solve for r. We can set it to x to the 4th. On this one, we just have the 1x. So on this side, it would be x to the 6 minus r equals x to the 4th. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to condense this part. That's going to be 7 minus r equals x to the 4th. So r is 3. Over here, clearly r will be 2. And then what we're really going to do is just plug it back in to this whole equation and find the coefficient, because we solved for r to get our x to the 4th. So we're going to write it out. We're going to write 6 choose 3, because our r was 3 on the first part, 2x cubed, what is that going to be? 1 cubed times x. Then we had a minus 6 choose 2, 2x to the 4th, and 1 to the 2nd power times 4. Now 6 choose 3 is 20 times 8x cubed. 1 cubed is just 1, so I'm just going to cancel that out, times x, minus 6 choose 2 is 15 times 16x to the 4th. This cancels, and then we also have times 4. So then we're going to just multiply our coefficients. That's 160 x to the 4th minus, this is 60 times 16, that's 960 x to the 4th. And then combine our like terms. That's going to be negative 800 x to the 4th. We only want the coefficient of x to the 4th, so our final answer is negative 800. And that's all. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.